The remarkable pace of artificial intelligence innovation has captured the world's attention, transforming industries and reshaping the way we think about work, productivity, and creativity. Yet beneath the optimism and the relentless headlines touting breakthrough after breakthrough, a sobering reality has emerged. According to a recent study conducted by MIT's Nanda initiative, a staggering 95% of corporate AI pilot programs never make it beyond the initial testing stage. This revelation has sent shockwaves through the tech sector, rattling investor confidence and forcing business leaders everywhere to grapple with the true challenges of AI adoption. The study's findings are both striking and illuminating. It's not that the technology itself is fundamentally flawed, rather the roadblocks arise from the way companies attempt to integrate AI into their existing environments. Integration woes are at the heart of the problem. Corporate workflows tend to be rigid, deeply entrenched in legacy systems and processes that resist change. When AI pilots are introduced, they often collide with these established routines, making it extremely difficult to scale up or deliver meaningful results. Budget allocation is another critical stumbling block. The MIT study points out a recurring misjudgment. Companies frequently channel investment toward high-profile applications such as sales and marketing, believing these will yield the most visible impact. In reality, the greatest returns are often found in the less glamorous realm of back-office automation, areas like finance, procurement, and supply chain management, where efficiency gains and cost reductions can transform the bottom line. Yet these domains are frequently overlooked, resulting in AI pilots that, even if technically successful, fail to move the needle on core business metrics. This disconnect has sparked a wave of concern about the sustainability of the current AI investment boom. Media outlets and analysts now warn that the relentless hype surrounding AI may be inflating a bubble, reminiscent of the dot-com era. The study's release coincided with a significant dip in U.S. tech stock values, underscoring the market's sensitivity to news about AI adoption and effectiveness. Prominent voices in the field, including OpenAI CEO Sam Altman and researcher Gary Marcus, have begun to openly discuss the possibility of an impending AI bubble, cautioning against unrealistic expectations and advocating for more sustainable, measured approaches to AI deployment. For organizations, the implications of these findings are profound. The dream of effortless transformation through AI is giving way to a more nuanced understanding. Successful adoption requires more than just access to powerful models. It demands strategic planning, careful integration, and a commitment to workforce readiness. MIT's research highlights a crucial distinction. Companies that attempt to build AI systems internally have a success rate of only about 33%. By contrast, those that purchase specialized AI tools from established vendors fare much better, achieving a success rate closer to 67%. This suggests that strategic partnerships and the adoption of tailored solutions can dramatically improve the odds of a pilot's success. But why do so many pilots falter before reaching scale? The answer lies in the complexity of enterprise environments. When an AI pilot is launched, it often operates in isolation, addressing a narrow set of problems. If it works, the temptation is to declare victory and move on. However, the real challenge emerges when the pilot is expanded, when it must integrate with other systems, accommodate real-world variability, and deliver consistent, measurable business results. Many organizations underestimate the difficulty of this transition. They may lack the necessary expertise, or they may fail to align stakeholders and resources around a clear, achievable set of objectives. The MIT study also underscores the importance of selecting the right use cases. Successful AI initiatives tend to focus on specific, measurable goals, automating invoice processing, optimizing inventory management, or streamlining customer support. These projects have clear metrics for success and can demonstrate tangible improvements in efficiency, cost, or customer satisfaction. By contrast, pilots launched without a well-defined purpose or a realistic path to scale are much more likely to stall. Workforce readiness is another essential ingredient. AI integration is not just a technical challenge, it's a human one. Employees must be prepared for new workflows, new tools, and even new roles. Training, communication, and change management are critical to ensuring that AI-powered systems are embraced rather than resisted. The companies that succeed in scaling AI tend to invest heavily in these areas, recognizing that technology alone cannot deliver transformation. The broader impact of these findings is already being felt. Investors who have poured billions into AI startups and enterprise solutions are beginning to question the pace and trajectory of returns. The prospect of an AI bubble, where expectations far outstrip reality, looms large, threatening to slow investment and dampen enthusiasm. At the same time, the lessons from MIT's research offer a roadmap for more sustainable growth. By focusing on integration, workforce readiness, and the selection of strategic use cases, organizations can increase their chances of success and avoid the pitfalls of hype-driven disappointment. For business leaders, the message is clear. It's time to move beyond the excitement of pilot launches and toward a more disciplined, results-oriented approach to AI adoption. This means asking tough questions about where AI can deliver the greatest value, investing in the systems and processes that support integration, and prioritizing employee engagement and readiness. It also means being realistic about timelines and outcomes, recognizing that meaningful change will require persistence, adaptation, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. As the dust settles from MIT's revelations, the path forward is one of cautious optimism. The promise of AI remains vast, but unlocking its potential will require a shift in mindset, from rapid experimentation to thoughtful execution, from isolated pilots to integrated solutions, and from hype to measurable impact. Those who embrace these lessons will be best positioned to navigate the evolving landscape, turning challenges into opportunities and building a foundation for sustainable innovation. The future of artificial intelligence in the enterprise is not guaranteed, but it is within reach. By heeding the warnings of recent research and focusing on what truly drives success, organizations can move past the disappointments of failed pilots and begin to realize the transformative power of AI. The journey will not be easy and the risks are real, but with the right strategy, the right partners, and a commitment to integration and readiness, the rewards can be extraordinary. The question is not whether AI can deliver value, but whether we are prepared to do what it takes to capture it.